Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Blue color, black color, red color. The next one is green color and the last one is yellow color. Kids, first we draw the alphabet of A. The next one is B. And now we draw the alphabet of C. C for cow, C for cat. The next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. Now we draw F. The next one is G. The next one is H. Kids, subscribe to our channel. H for hand. Now we draw the alphabet of I. And the next one is J. Now we draw K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, now we draw M. M for moon, M for mango. And the next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange. Now we draw P. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. Now we draw the alphabet of R. And the next one is S. Now we draw T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. Now we draw the alphabet of V. The next one is W. Kids, now we draw X. The next one is Y and the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.